Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this or that filter like this and many more in Instagram and how to save these filters. So tap on any filter you want and go to the effect gallery. Like I have to tap browse effects. So this is the effect gallery of Instagram. Now on the top right corner you will see the search bar. Tap on it and search for this or that. So we got the results. So these are all the filter, this or that. Tap on any filter you want. Suppose tap on this one. From here you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. Try it. Okay, so to try this one I think I have to touch the screen. Okay, and that's it. So likewise touch the screen. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Instagram, and if you don't have the search button in effect gallery, then you can check my description box. I'll give link to this creators in the description box. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.